Let me summarize all these data types into a small table form so that you people will get much clarity on the subject. Okay, have a look once, sir. Sir, what fields I included? Sir, first one, data type almost around 13 data types just I'm adding, sir. Int, float, complex, bool, str. These things are fundamental data types of Python. Next, list, tuple, set, frozen set, dict, bytes, byte array. Okay, like these things are extra data types what we have. Now description. Next, is it immutable or not? Next, order, insertion order preserved or not? Order is there or not? Next, indexing concept, slicing concept applicable or not? Next, duplicates are allowed or not? So with respect to these properties, I want to compare these 13 data types so that I'm sure you people will get much clarity, and even it acts as a revision also.